Spark plug. A spark plug in a system used in spark ignition engine. Mainly engine that is used gasoline for a gasoline or ignition motors. A flicker plug-in creates a flicker that will be utilized to begin combustion in SI engines. Spark plug function is electricity from the battery or magneto. Car suspension. Suspension could be used machine or wheels. Fire atmosphere, spring sand, stock, absorber along the linkage that join automotive into a brakes, and also lets comparative movement between them both. Automotive battery. A car battery is a rechargeable battery which is utilized to begin an automotive. It is principal aim to always to supply household energy to use electricity powered launching engine, which then commands the chemically powered inner combustion motor which truly propels your motor vehicle.
Clutch, no matter the application, the function and purpose of a clutch is transmit torque from rotation driving motor to transmission. Brake, the brake command allows you to terminate and exit a loop. That is do, for, and while, or switch command from any point other than the logical end. The accelerator is also known as gas pedal. It is the pedal located on the floor on the far right. This pedal controls the amount of gas being fed into the engine and thereby controls the speed of the vehicle.
Gear stick. The term gear stick mostly refers to the shift lever of a manual transmission. A similar lever is a transmission, while in an automatic known as a gear selector. Hazard light. Your car's hazard light serves as an important safety function. When used appropriately, this light signal warning to other drivers. Steering wheel. The steering wheel is used to control the steering system and the director of a vehicle and comprises a linkage system to direct the vehicle through the front wheel.
Side view mirror. A side view mirror, also known as a mirror, is a mirror placed on the exterior of motor vehicles for the purpose of helping the driver. Rear view mirror. The rear view mirror promotes an alert driving experience by allowing you to see behind your vehicle without turning your head. Handbrake. The purpose of the handbrake is to ensure the vehicle does not roll away when parked, although it can also be used as backup secondary braking system in the rare event that the primary brake system should fail.